My dear students, this is your Professor Dr. Syed. You are welcome to the online digital learning program. Today I am going to teach you about Value Improvement Engineering Part 3. This is plan for product selection. This project is used to adjust the focus of lens for magnification purpose. The present specification of this part and its material used are costlier than the average industry costs. The value of this product can be increased by maintaining its functions and reducing its cost, or keeping the cost constant and increasing the functionality of the product. Now you will have to obtain product information. You can see the data here. What the material will have to use here, that is aluminum bronze alloy. So what is the diameter? The diameter of base plate is 30 mm. Then what is the thickness of the base plate? The thickness of the plate is 3 mm. The cost of scrap is 293 rupees per kg. Pieces produced annually. So in a year, how many pieces you are going to produce? 8,000 pieces. What is the process you are using for the production? You are using CNC index. Now you can see the functional analysis of this present functions. In this table of functional analysis, you can see on the top row name basic function. The basic function is a verb. Then another basic function is noun. Then secondary function is verb. Another secondary function is noun. Name of this product is focus adjustment knob. The basic function verb, it is an index. The basic function noun is lens. The secondary function is verb, that is fixing. Developing alternative designs or methods. During brainstorming, these ideas are generally considered. 1. Change the design. You can change the design what you have made. Then you can change the material. You can change the material for the purpose of improving the quality. Then use plastics. Generally plastics are low cost but have a good performance on some of the plastics. Make it lighter. The customers always likes that their product should. Evaluation phase. For judging the ideas, the following design were considered. Generally, design consists of functions of the product, cost of the product, maintainability of the product, quality of the product, the space for the product. Generally, the customers requires more functions for a product and they want to pay very less for it. That is, cost. The cost should not be more, but they want more functions. Maintainability. whether the products comparing this criteria according to relative importance. You can see here the weightage analysis. The weightage analysis have three different things. One is major difference, medium difference, minor difference. In the major difference, there are 3 points. Medium difference, 2 points find out. Minor difference, only 1 point find out. Then paired comparison. In this paired comparison, it got scores for different things, for different. From the paired comparison, we get the following results. You are seeing a table here where symbol, attribute and score is there. There are different symbols A, B, C, D, E. For each symbol, attributes are there. The attributes are function, cost, maintainability, quality and space. Each function have got a score. Function, it got 6 score. Cost, it got 8 score. Maintainability, it got 2 score. Quality, it got 5 score. Space, it got 0 score. Now you can see the cost analysis. Here a table is there where you can see focus adjust knob. It has been replaced by nylon index unit. The focus adjust knob material cost is 19.04 material cost, machining cost 7.30, anodizing cost 3.65. The total cost goes up to 29.99. Whereas nylon index, the material cost is 11.60, machining cost is. Then the final results are as follows. The total savings after the implementation of value engineering are given below. The cost before analysis, it is 29.99 rupees. The total cost of nylon knob, it's 18.40 rupees. Here the savings per product is 11.59 rupees. The percentage of saving per product is 38.64%. The annual demand of the product is 8,000 pieces. The total annual savings are 92,700. So finally, 3 goals that we are looking at value engineering after this analysis. Number 1, identify additional functions that are not attractive to customers so that we can remove it. Number 2, attractive functions for customers, add it. Number 3, saving because of the elimination of redundant functions. All these 3 goals are most important for the value engineering.